How is your day? Welcome chat. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. What's up, guys? Welcome. Let's go, guys. Come on. How's it going? Good morning. Happy to see you, fellas. We are live. We are ready. As usually, I'm gonna go ahead and share this video. Make sure you do the same with all the trading groups, with all the members, pretty much everywhere. Feel free and go ahead and share this presentation, guys. We are live. 3 giveaways are scheduled today, 3 of them. That's a huge number right there. 3 giveaways for the day of the PPI, coming out in about 8 minutes. And I am ready to trade. Look what happened yesterday. Give me a moment. Why is it off? Hey, how's it going? Can you hear me right now? Just made it a little bit louder. All right, guys. Thank you. It was disconnected. I had the babies running around today, and it got disconnected. Perfect. Beautiful, guys. So we gotta wait a little bit for the PPI. But I'm taking a little shot here on 2 contracts long. I'm taking a little shot here, which I'm not really planning holding onto the PPI for the moment. Let's see if we get that little sell-off, which seems to happen. I'm gonna take care about this position. If things are gonna get ugly quite quickly, I'm gonna cut it away. As soon as we got into the trade, we broke the support level of 942, right? So as soon as I pressed the button, we just flushed below. You know, there's a couple of places where you could consider. 900, there's a confluence. 823. Which obviously requires me to get out of the trade, but I'm going to wait a little bit here for the liquidity game to be playing with us. I might get a better price for the exit. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's do it. I'm going to sell a contract here.
Order filled.
So I accept it. $77 loss, not an issue. I would have loved to see something like this. But we're good for the moment. Stay safe, everyone. Risk management and safety is very important. You guys know that. You guys are familiar with that. And if you want to risk, just go ahead now. It's time for volatility. No sound again. Can you hear me? I don't know, guys. Should be fine. Should be fine. Watching a few spots without excluding the 880s retouched of there is a strong confluence coming in from the 15 minute as well, so that's what it speaks for the downside. Less than 2 minutes to go. Careful. We got 10 accounts. 5 are fresh. And 5 are pretty old in terms of days, but there's just a single point achieved and $1,300 max loss limit. I'm out of this.
Order filled.
$220 loss accepted here. And I'm watching it closely for the moment. We're very close to the all-time high. Very close. PPI and core PPI last time came out extremely hot. Now if it comes around 0.3 based on the forecast, narrative is gonna go around the 50 basis points for the 17th of September. We already see and hear a few voices out there going for the 50 basis points, not just for 25. 5 seconds to go. Let's watch the market. Oh. Look at that, guys. 100 points just like that, quickly. minus 0.1%. Oh my god. Minus 0.1%, guys. Look at that. What a huge difference. What a huge difference on the inflation, fellas.
Order filled.
Markets are definitely enjoying this. And favoring the rate cut for the FOMC. Wow, look at that, guys. This might be favoring a narrative for the 50 points.
Order filled.
We got 2 contracts long.
Order filled.
3 contracts, 3 minutes long into this.
Order filled.
4 contracts. I'm a little bit aggressive, right? I don't have much drawdown. But I'm thinking the next candlestick, which is this one from the previous, the next in that form, should be green. The only problem is we don't have too much drawdown. Come on, bring it up. No. We're gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Setting up for the next round. For the next For the next 5 that are brand new, fresh.
Order filled.
PPI coming out with minus 0.1%. It is nuts, guys. Let's just set up our message. So we're doing 3 giveaways today. $125. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Make sure to like the video, guys. Bring it on. Come on. Crypto markets reacted strongly as well because the whole narrative is favoring for the rate cut. And not just for a single rate cut, or not just 25 basis points.
Order filled.
$1,070 here. It's not bad. This is exactly what I've been telling you earlier. But that red candle we had in the middle wiped me out. I've been telling you about the law. You can't hear me again. What about now? There's something wrong with this. Should be back. Good. Thank you, guys. I was saying that this is exactly what I was trading earlier as well. But that little red candle came through our charts and wiped me out on a daily max loss. Beautiful. 3 giveaways for today. Make sure to like the video and the first $1,000 made. This is the first day here. It looks great. And we're still gonna trade this. Good morning. Welcome everyone. Great to see you. Great to hear you. Morning everyone. Alright fellas, so once again make sure to join our Discord. You gotta be part of our Discord community in order to join the giveaways. You gotta join our Discord.
Order filled.
I got a feeling this is climbing higher. Back into the 30s. PPI coming out on minus. We're going to bring out the Fed Watch tool. This is going to get updated today. And I think the chances for 50 points will increase. Not touching this for the moment. You enter the giveaway by liking the video, being subscribed, and then the giveaway happens on the live stream. So you have to be here. It's a little later after the market opens on the live stream. That's how you enter the giveaway. Thank you guys for joining, for watching. Good to see you, buddy. Great to see you. Hope you're having a great time on trading. We got some great news from the PPI, putting together a nice framework for possibly running on 3 rounds of rate cuts this year, which is going to help me a lot with the crypto investments that I have. Cryptos do love that. Big time.
Order filled.
Adding another contract here for my trade. Sure, welcome. Hello. I'm trading right now Ticktick Trader, so here's the affiliate link for those of you that are interested. Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus accounts. That's the link in the chat. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE for the highest discounts available. Right now there is $250. It's a flat amount. It's not based on percentage. It's $250 discount.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract to this. where you only have to do $500 a day on this $100,000 account, so 0.5% daily for 10 days. And that's how you achieve a profit score. You need basically 10 points. That's how you get 1 point by making 0.1%, 0.5, I'm sorry guys, 0.5 a day. And today we're gonna have the video for Ignite accounts. I'm gonna review the company and the new product soon for the top 1 futures. We're gonna have the video out there today on my channel. Let's go. Yes, if you do over $250, it's fine. Especially they have no consistency. Think about it, guys. It's the only company right now with such product without consistency. So there is no 20, 30, zero consistency. You can make $6,000 in a day, which is gonna help you if you let your winners run to cover your losses. You're capped on the withdrawal on the payouts. That's right. But you will be able to move more money to your live. So that money helps you to have resources in your balance to cover your losses even through your simulation stage. Your payout is capped, but the balance is not going to be capped at all. If you make 10,000 in a day, you're fine. Yes, you can move this money through a procedure. You just have to apply for that procedure. Yeah, that's why the 100K is looking much better, especially you take home $1,000, but the very important part is to construct your business for the live account, because this is where the big money is going to be made. You're trading live without limits, and you're having the possibility to cash out daily, even multiple times a day, on your live with Ticktick Trader. They set you up on a real broker account. Yes, that's fine, sure. Scramble coupon code gives you maximum discount, and on top of that, the no max daily loss, so the add-on is free right now. The daily loss limit is fully excluded right now. I'm talking about the Ticktick Trader Straight to Funded Plus. Here's the link for those of you that care to discover more about it. That's what I'm trading. I am from Hungary. That's the place I'm born. So the new Straight to Funded Plus accounts tradable on Project X and Tradeovit Ninja Trader TradingView, right? They have no consistency. You can let your winners run. You know, that's one big problem for prop firms, clients, and traders, that we're not allowed to let our winners run, which is nonsense compared to the way the real live accounts and real money is traded on a personal side, where you have to do this to be successful on the long run, right? So I'm doing live trading with real accounts on my main business, swing trading only. I'm not doing day trading there, but that's fully on crypto. I do speak some, not much, because I left Hungary quite early. Day trading just for a few months, but then swing trading since 2014, when first I bought Bitcoin. So when I first started was 2014 BTC. That's the gate that I visited into the world of trading. And that's what I do full time. I'm a swing trader. I'm holding for months. Yeah, one Bitcoin was lower than $500. I sold a lot, of course. On the way up, you sell. Yeah. Lower than $500. The average price that I have is around 400 and a little. Slightly above $400 is the average price. But like I said, the majority of what I bought, I sold. Yeah, we're quite stable. And obviously we do this out of passion. So recently started today trading, something more active.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Make sure to like the video, guys. Let's bring up those numbers. We're sitting right here on this flat market. Six minis, aiming for that 30s. Another 2,900 wouldn't be bad, of course. On top of the 1,000 we have, that would put us actually into the $4,000 profit here. Keep in mind, we've got 3 giveaways scheduled for today. PPI, surprisingly low. Look at the BTCs, definitely enjoying it. Gold is just grabbing liquidity back and forth, enjoying to market makers are doing their job, dirty job. Ethereum spiked $100. Exactly. We had a massive balance. But like I said, I also lost some, sold. The lack of employment is terrible. And they were concerned about inflation risks as a argument not to cut. If that risk disappears, this narrative was also really public. Yeah, I don't like the way this one looks like. Let's see if we capable holding through this 95, 94. Yeah. And then tomorrow we've got CPI. Beautiful. Stay in touch with us, guys. We've got the giveaways a little later. 3 of them. 2 for the Tap on Futures and 1 for the Ticktick Trader. For the Tap on Futures, we're also doing giveaways for the first time. For the first Ignite accounts, the 50K is going to be under giveaway today. We're going to do 1 end of the day instant sim funded and 1 Ignite 50K from the Tap on Futures. Here's the link, by the way, for those of you that are not familiar. And I'm going to make a video today as well. I have used my stop loss is manually going to be added at the time it's needed. We don't have a automatic stop loss introduced. I'm constantly monitoring. And I'm trading and adjusting basically.
Order filled.
I sold half of my position, guys. I don't like this for the moment. I had to do it. This could actually slide into the 75, 76. So I eliminated a partial risk from there. We're fine with 3 minutes too. If it goes to my target, we're gonna be enjoying that. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. I'm out
Order
of this for
filled.
the moment. I'm out of this for the moment. We got double digits for 50 points for 17th of September rate cut for 50 basis points. I'm streaming daily from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. We're right here together with giveaways as well. Having a great time, of course. Running some educational materials. Market sitting flat as usually after such big events. No one is looking for taking big risks here. Which is why also, from this uncertainty, I had to accept a loss. Which is the hardest thing. But it's the healthiest thing. Right? So you accept the partial loss. You accept a temporary loss. You don't lose a complete war. You don't lose a battle. And it's always better to be accepting those losses instead of feeling sorry. You know that feeling what happens later? Wish I would have closed. Wish I would have done this. I would have done that. That triggers continuous actions, and you possibly trade your next accounts wrong as well based on this. Sure, you enter the giveaway by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And then on the live stream, once the market opens, once the New York market opens, which is in about 35 minutes, our giveaway starts. And you have to be here on live because we're playing some games and you got to be here to participate in the giveaway. Indeed. So you end up revenging only if you do not accept losses. Most of the time, I would say. Yes. Having multiple accounts gives a form of false freedom. That false freedom is making money for the companies, is not making you money. In risk management, there is no freedom like that. Right? So you gotta be very strict with certain things and dynamic on other things. That's how I visualize. Just because you can buy more, it doesn't mean you have to buy more. Buying more means you're spending more, and then your whole activity is less efficient. So the number one focus is not to make money. The number one focus is definitely not to lose money, because whatever money you make, if you're losing more, is worthless. Right? So the big element right here is with the losses. That's the big problem. That's where you gotta prioritize with the losses. People think just about how to make money. They never ask the question how to avoid the dangerous losses, how to avoid the wrong losses, how to avoid the painful losses, how to avoid the unnecessary losses that my business is going to get hurt. Avoiding losses completely is not possible. But you need to avoid a certain category of losses if you want to make money for the long term. And that's what you got to learn, but also apply. So here we clearly see the massive gap between the theoretical knowledge a lot of the people have. What I'm talking right now is pretty much known for the majority of the guys, yet they're still doing the opposite. You get to cash out $2,000 when you get to 10 points, correct? But from the $2,000, there is a profit split. Because the straight to funded plus model accounts are putting a lot of the focus on the live trading. So they're aiming to build your live balance. There is a split from that $2,000 organized in 3 categories. Cash, which is what you receive on Rise. Your live account balance, which is what you go with when you are touching the threshold of that balance and you move to live. And then the fees and the commission to the company, which is 10%. Scary day. If it's a scary day, you have to make it unscary. So, 1 day left. Now, If you want to increase your chances, you want to go into the micros. Yeah, there's upsides and downsides for that. De-risking will actually require you to have more points, more trades, and a better performance is quantity. If you have multiple accounts, I would increase my chances reaching payouts, which means I would not copy trade all of them. I would split them, certainly split them. And I would trade exactly in the same way, like I've traded to this point. Exactly. But I would split basically the number of accounts. If you have 6, then I would do 3 and 3. If I would lose with the first 3, then I would also split my remaining 3 in 2 categories, 2 and 1. If I don't lose in my first 3 category, then I would simply go with a second category of 3 as well. Depends how many do you have with 9 days. But I'm telling you, there is a problem with the last day or with the last 2 days. People feel extremely pressured. They downsize. So then they have to outperform their traditional trading because a lot more points are needed. So if you were trading with a micro, or you were trading with a mini, let's put it that way, you were doing 1 mini, day number 9, day number 10 comes in, 1 point is needed, you get into the micro, you're not used to that. You need to deliver much more. You get extra pressure. You have to have 3, 4, 5 good trades instead of just 1 or 2. That means less chances. Certainly less chances. Yeah, that's how it's going to be for the long term. The point score is great, guys. You make 3,000 in a day or 5,000 in a day. You have no consistency. Think about it. No consistency. That 3,000 or 5,000 you made in a day covers your ass when you have a bad day, when you got 2 bad days. You can have so many losses because of this possibility of letting your winners run. Make sure to like the video, guys. Appreciate it. What's happening in the world of the cryptos? Bitcoin is going to the upside. Look at the Russell 2000s. Massive spike as well. Gold is playing with the liquidity, playing with people.
Order filled.
I'm shorting this here for a few more points down. Not dreaming about anything big. But I think we could retest that 75. Hope that I'm not wrong here. Yeah. That was the biggest discount existent. Yeah, and of course that's not a great thing if you're just 1 or 2 days away. Trade the London session. Trade during markets that are less volatile. Volatility is not going to help you. Volatility is taking time away of decision, of thinking about, of having the sufficient time of being lucid. Right? So that's not good. Volatility is increasing the emotional effect on your trades, on your experience. So the less you have of that, the better it is. Exactly. Ticktick Trader has 3 years online. They have been progressing very well. For those of you that are... Here's the code. Here's the link. I'm looking forward finding myself on live. I had a $10,000 payout, and from that 10,000 we got 4,000 into the live wallet. So we need to collect another 6,000, and we're going live with a Ticktick.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this, hoping for not much, but still that 75 retest on the previous wicks. Finding myself comfortable with that right there. Thank you guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. I don't know. I definitely need this candlestick going down, otherwise I'm going to be out of this position. There might be a temporary flat defending point here. I don't want to see the markets pushing back into the 406.7 from here. I don't like that too much support, guys. I sold 3 contracts. Looks like we had to accept a temporary loss. There's about 21 minutes to go when the market opens. Cryptos are exploding, or at least moving. Nah, I don't like this, honestly. It missed my target.
Order filled.
Added a contract. Retest of 78.
Order filled.
Make sure to join our Discord. Here's the link, guys. Going to be a nice trap here for the bulls on the 90s. But it looks like the bulls are still there. It looks like they're still there.
Order filled.
Added one contract here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I just want to make sure we're not going to slowly grind from here. And I'm trying to discover that. I want to see this slowly grind above 24,000s. I don't want to be in that kind of a trade. I like to see choppiness here. So after the sell-off we had here on the 1 minute, I did expect the choppiness. Instead of a slow grinding all the way back into the 24,000s.
Order filled.
That's why I've been DCing right here around 93s. Good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you guys for joining. We've got 3 giveaways scheduled for today. Sharing $125,000. That's not looking good for me. That rand candlestick did not came in at all. 24,000s could get us some pressure. Let's see what we got here. We got about 15 minutes to go. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys. We were earlier with $1,000 profit here on this account. Couple of losses accepted. And now a pretty bad trade is actually throwing me into the opposite direction. I need the bears to be capable of defending this 24,000s. Slow bleeding. I'm gonna cut it away if I don't see it, obviously. I've been in Capri in vacation. An island next to Italy. It's Italian. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. It's not looking good. Let's see how this 24,000s react. Do we get the bears doing their job from here or not? Right, so we got the liquidity built here in the previous structure on the 24,000s. Looks like we're going through. There we got a last minute rejection.
Order filled.
Yep. No, no, no. That's not good at all.
Order filled.
That's not good at all. Not trading gold for the moment, but I'm into the cryptos quite heavily. Yeah. I still do not have my trading form, so I gotta slow it down. Look at this. My trading form after 2 weeks of no day trading almost disappeared. Gotta get back in shape, guys. Look at that. We're printing and I'm shorting. Gotta get back into my good trading form. We've been longing it here, for example. That's where I've been longing it. Accepted losses. And then going for a nice double bottom or for taking the lows here. But that correction, minor correction, never came in.
Order filled.
Gotta get back in shape. Vacation is costing me, guys.
Order filled.
Pretty bad. We got to touch the stop losses we had. Ticktick trader today completely went on stop losses. We had a $1,000 profit at some point that was realized. We gave it back. And then we got to be stopped out here on this move to the upside. Prolonged, extended move. Didn't got back in my shape for the moment.
Order filled.
I need to recover from holidays. Not filling the price action like before. This is showing no mercy. Markets do enjoy the PPI that we've got. Come on. Yeah. %90 to 10%, guys. That's where we are with the rate cuts. Probabilities. Nothing more than that. This week, this month, I think it's a very likely we're gonna break not only a single all-time high. Depends on the FOMC, guys. Really depends on the FOMC. But of course, markets do favor, for the moment, still an uptrending vision. So I think the all-time high story is not yet over for the stocks. It's a good sell-off we had. Adding more to
Order
this.
filled.
Would love to see a continuation from this 1 minute candle we just had. Makes sense to come back at least into the 96.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm using TradingView. That's where I do my complete analysis. That's the best price action website. Come on.
Order filled.
5 minutes to go. I'd like to see the markets bleeding into the opening. I would nicely take that $2,000 right there. TradingView.com. That's what I'm using for price action analysis. Beautiful 1 minute candle. Come on. Nah. The pressure is high. Not looking good.
Order filled.
We got stopped out there. Nothing for the shorts. Not even a penny. Good morning. Yeah, I'm just going for quick scalps for the shorts here if there is room, but there is no room for anything like that. I've been longing the market till this round of shorts. And we nicely got basically the liquidity grabbed from here. We lost there. I've been nicely longing the markets here. And the markets did not swinged at all in the meantime. So I was still in a position. Not in my trading form yet, not in my trading shape yet after vacation. 2 weeks of no trading is felt. The latency is around 5 to 6 seconds, 7 seconds. That's what YouTube does. Look at this candlestick, guys. This is exactly what I've been seeking earlier. This pressure. That has not been delivered while I had a short open. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Giveaways are gonna start soon. And we're gonna have a great time. Our target would have been touched here. "30 seconds to go. Our target would have been touched." Thank you. We're also trading Ticktick Trader, Tap on Futures, and Savius accounts too. Look at that, guys. Let me ring the bell. There you go. Market is dumping at the opening. We had a short. We had a nice short. That was useless. That was all useless, right? Yeah. You know, I felt the short, which is why I've been shorting all this movement. I shorted all this, guys. All the way up, I've been shorting that. The movement came in at the most unexpected time. But I guess this should be no surprise, right? Look at that. Lovely opportunities. Lovely market conditions. And you get burned. Let's go. Oops, no opening bell. We're trading right now the Savius accounts that I got. I think this is going back to the upside, guys. We're trading Savius accounts. Savius accounts that are exclusive for our community. These are exclusive for our community, guys. Tough day indeed. Look at that. I got my stop loss there. Nah. It got touched. We got stopped out on that. Tough day. Very tough day. And now it's going back up. And it's going to get back basically above 24,000. It's going to fill that wick we had on the news. Never mind. This is a day to quickly forget about and get into the giveaways. Quickly forget about. Absolutely terrible. Nothing worked, right? Absolutely madness. Let's go, guys, with the giveaway. Wait for the details. Come on. Time for the giveaway. Like the video. That's how you participate. Everyone, like the video. The next thing you gotta do, be subscribed. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. And make sure you join us daily from Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. EST time. We're trading daily. Much better usually than what happened today and yesterday. Much better. And having a great time together with multiple giveaways. And the third thing is join Discord. These are the three things that you gotta join and you gotta do to participate. 3 giveaways we have today. Keep in mind, only one guess per person. No multiple accounts. You're not gonna receive the accounts. You're not gonna receive the prize. If you're running on multiple accounts, if you're gaming and playing the system and misleading our community with miserable behavior, you'll have to guess the number between 0 and 5 at a time I say start, and you can go ahead and do it, guys. Let me know your number. 1 guess per person. You gotta guess the number between 0 and 5. Start. You can do it, guys. Let me know. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. And that's the stop right there. It's over. No more guesses. It's over, guys. We're going to shuffle the wheel and get ready for the first giveaway, which is a $25,000 end of the day drawdown. Tap 1 futures, instant sim funded, right? This one. Let's shuffle. And good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Only 1 guess per person. Come on. We got a green. We got a 0 on the green, but I don't think we stopped there. We have the blue number 5. I think we're close to that. I think this is going to be on blue number 5. Yeah. Look at that, guys. I don't have a pedal under my desk, but I'm feeling it much better than the markets already, especially right now. So 5 right there, number 5 for the winner. Beautiful. This is the first giveaway. We got 2 more. Totally, we got 3 giveaways today. Number 5 for the winner. All the winners are going to the duck race. All the winners. We take them to the duck race. Come on. $32 guys out there on the list competing for a minute on a duck race. Shuffle. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Come on. Good luck, guys. Yes, it logs just your first guess. Keep going, 10 seconds. Keep going. Let me see. Who's gonna make this? Abu. You got that, Abu. Number 28 right there for the winner. Abu. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winner. Beautiful. We're going to the second giveaway. Going for the second round. This is going to be a tap on futures. 50,000. Not 50,000. I'm sorry. 25 grand. This one is going to be. Not 50, 25. Everyone, make sure to like the video, be subscribed. Those that are joining right now, like the video, don't forget about it. Let me know your numbers, you can start. Good luck. Let's go, guys, come on. At a time you T to stop, it's over. There you go. Right now, it's over. No more guesses. It's over. We got to stop this. It's over. We're going to shuffle and spin the wheel. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. This is the second giveaway. We have one more coming up soon. We got a double 5 coming up after our double 3. I think it's going to be the double 5. I think we're going to stop on the green 5 right there. This one. Look at that, guys. That's where we're going to stop. Second number 5 in a row. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Wow. We got once again a number 5. Congrats for the winners. $28 folks out there. Only 28 guys. You will compete for a minute. Are you ready? Get your hands together. Get your fitness together. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Good luck, winners. Come on. We got twice number 5. And we're having one more giveaway today. Look at that. 30 seconds. Who's going to make it? You know, it's important not to be amongst the first. When there's 20-30 seconds to go, you're not going to win. You got to step up when there is about 5 to 6 seconds. So from someone from behind. Ah, boo, we got this guy right here winning for the second time. This is crazy, guys. This is the same winner as the first giveaway, and this is happening for the first time in history. This guy right here was the winner for the first giveaway as well. He got number 5. He got number 5 once again. No, this is not possible, guys. We were 140 guys in stream, guessing out of 6 numbers because it's 0 to 5, right? Wow. Oh my god, that's true. 5 billion push-ups. You know, that's the criteria of winning. I think it's a bot. We have not seen any answer. We have not seen any message from this guy. Probably it's a bot. And we're going to have tomorrow 5 giveaways. We're going to see that. Most of the time it repeats. There you go. The message came in. When the bot has been switched. He hasn't said anything when he won for the first time. And that's happening most of the time. But we're gonna do everything that's needed to verify. Of course, let's get to the third giveaway. Let's get to the third giveaway, guys. Let's go. Let me know your numbers. You can start, guys. Come on, let's go. Let me know your numbers. Are you guys going for number 5 once again? What do you think about? That's crazy. I don't know what comes out. We had a back-to-back winner with the same number. That's extremely unique. I'm telling you. Stop right there. That's it. No more guesses. It's over. You can stop right there. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed, fellas. Beautiful. So we're going to shuffle this. Right? We do our job. And then we trigger. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Might be 5 at this time. I think it has the highest chances of being 5. I'm telling you. There's something going on with number 5 today. Look at that. Let me just take my pen and share with you. Right, so this is dangerous here, but we're not going to stop on that blue number 5. Do we? Do we stop here? I think we stop there. Oh my god, this is going to be a triple number 5, guys. Look at that. This is going to be a triple number 5. This is a crazy day. That's crazy, guys. We got a triple number 5. Oh my God. Is this possible? Have a look into that. Who's the owner of this website? Is it Abu? Are you the owner of this website we're doing our giveaways? Are you also the owner of the Dock Race website? So we got 31 winners, more than we had earlier. But Abu is on the list. It's very dangerous. It's right there. Ha 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 ha. Abu is on the list. We're set to go for 1 minute. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm not saying Abu. No, it's right there at the top. 10 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up, guys? It is not him. Dollar Dynasty. There you go. Number 23. We got this one on the winner. Finally a different one. Congratulations, folks. A happy fireworks round for the winners. Congratulations, this was a $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to Funded Plus. Keep in mind, tomorrow we have multiple giveaways as well. Boom. What a beautiful time with a 555 giveaway. That was intense. There you go for the winner. Congratulations, guys. Happy to see you smiling and having a great time. It was not the best trading experience. I'm still not feeling my trading form. But I'm going to get back to the style that you guys are used to. And I'm not going to disappoint you. So, wish you a very good day. Careful with the numbers. Markets are wild. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. We have at least 2 giveaways. We might have 2 or 3. Or maybe 4. Depends. We're going to verify today's winners. Looks like the second winner, which is Dollar Dynasty, did not step in. He's not in the chat. The bot is not set up to say thank you. The bot is only set up to say the number, right? And we can feel that. We're going to verify, guys. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. Keep in mind, use the coupon code SCRAMBLE for anything. Join our Discord for support questions. Have a lovely time. Peace. We'll talk to you soon.